About Java technology. Java technology is both a programming language and a platform from Oracle Corporation. Java 8 is a major update that was launched on March 18 on Tuesday. Features of Java: simple, it has no pointer, it has no multiple inheritance, platform independent, compile once, run anywhere, object oriented. It is a strong object oriented language. It has no global variable, no friend function. Portable, data types occupy same number of bytes on all platforms. Distributed, client server application can be made effectively. High performance language. Due to JIT, execution becomes faster. Multi-threaded. You can create multi-threaded application in that. Robust. It is safe. Most of the things are checked during compile time, so no risk at runtime. Dynamic. It supports late binding since beginning. You can load any class on the fly and find out its information. Secure. It supports late binding since beginning. You can load any class on the fly and find out its information. In the Java programming language, all source code is first written in plain text files, encoding with the .java extension. Those source files are then compiled into .class files by the Java C compiler. A .class file does not contain code that is native to our processor. It instead contains bytecodes, the machine language of Java Virtual Machine (JVM). The Java Launcher tool (JRE) then runs your application with instance of Java Virtual Machine. An overview of the software development process. MyProgram.java, MyProgram.class, Java Virtual Machine, then MyProgram. So first we have Java file, then we have .class file, and then we have program. Because the Java Virtual Machine is available on many different operating systems, the same .class file are capable of running on Microsoft Windows, Solaris operating system, Linux or Mac OS. Through the Java Virtual Machine, the same application is capable of running on multiple platforms. For example, this is Java code. Then compiler turns that compiler gives that code to JVM, which is virtual machine. Then virtual machine is giving to Windows, then Unix and Mac OS. A platform is the hardware or software environment in which a program runs. Most of the popular platforms are Microsoft Windows, Linux, Solaris OS and Mac OS. Most platform can be described as combination of operating system and underlying hardware.